Hello everyone, my name is Sergio,
And my name is Shani.
and together we teach at the Young Ministry. We've been serving for almost 4 years.
What drew me to Young was the chance to invest in the next generation because God has loved me first, so I want to give back. And it's been a blessing to be able to walk alongside the kids through their faith journey.
So I think every week is special, especially when we ask the kids about what they learned the previous weeks and they were able to recall what we teach. I think moments like that helps us teachers to feel like we can really make a difference.
I hope they remember Young as a place where they felt safe, loved, and seen, and most importantly, they can encounter Jesus in the classroom and also building friendship with their friends and strengthen their faith.